Okay students, class 11th mathematics CBSE. This is an example number 16, page number 147 of your NCERT book. Okay, and example is find the number of arrangements. Number of arrangements of the letters of the word independence. Independence in how many of these arrangements? First part, second part, third part and fourth part. Fourth part are given, but first of all we have to find the number of arrangements. First of all we have to find the total number of arrangement of the word independence. Okay, here total words means total letters are 12. 12 letters are there and 1, 2, 3, 4. E is repeating 4 times. E is repeating 4 times. Then D is repeating 2 times, and after that E is 4 times, N is repeating 3 times, Okay, so N equals to 12 means total 12 letters are there, in which 4 times E is repeating 4 times, N is repeating 3 times, and D is appearing 2 times. Okay, so total number of arrangements. Total number of arrangements means total arrangements or total number of permutations. That is equals to factorial 12 upon factorial 4 multiply factorial 3 multiply factorial 2. Okay, here we are using the formula factorial n upon factorial p factorial q factorial r and so on. Okay, so solving this we will have factorial 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial upon 4 factorial into 3 into 2 into 2. Okay, so 4 factorial will cancel 4 factorial. After that 3 to the 6 to the 12, and solving this we will have 166 3200. Okay, after solving this we will have 166 3200 means these are the total number of arrangements or total number of permutations formed from the letters of the word independence. Okay, now we will take the first part of the question. First part of the example is do the word start with, find the arrangement, do the word start with P. Word start with P means we have to make the letter P as fixed in first place or to the extreme left corner. Okay, after that we have to arrange the remaining letters. Okay, and the remaining letters are how many letters are remaining? Total 12 letters, P is fixed, so remaining letters are 11 letters. Okay, so total arrangement in this case, total arrangement or total number of permutations in this case are, we have to arrange total 11 letters, that is 11 factorial, in which E is repeating 4 times. Means 4 factorial 4, and D is repeating 2 times. 4 factorial 2, and N is repeating 3 times, so divided by factorial 3. Okay, so when we are considering first case or we are taking first part in which the word start with P, the total number of arrangements is equals to 11 factorial upon 4 factorial into 2 factorial into 3 factorial, and this is equals to, after solving this, 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into into 5 into 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial multiply 2 factorial multiply 3 factorial. Okay, 4 factorial will cancel 4 factorial, and after solving this we will have 13860. Okay, after solving this we will have 13860 when we are considering first case, means letter is starting with the word P. Okay, and second part of this question is that do all the vowels occur together, means we have to find all the permutations when do all the vowels occur together. Okay, so all the vowels means E is repeating 4 times, so E 4 times E, and I is also vowels, so I. Okay, so 5 vowels are here, E 4 times and I 1 times, so this will be treated as the one letter. This one thing will treated as one letter, and remaining letters are D is 2 times, D, N 3 times, N, and others are C and then E and C. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. One more word is there, that is P. Okay, so this is the arrangement. Means we have to arrange 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 letters. We have to arrange 8 letters. So total arrangements are arrangement means permutations. So total permutations are 8 factorial. Total letters are 8. So 8 factorial divided by D is repeating 2 times, 2 factorial, and N is repeating 3 times, multiply by 3 factorial. So 8 factorial divided by 2 factorial multiply by 3 factorial. But here bunching of these 5 letters, these 5 vowels have to be arranged. Okay, have to be arranged using the way factorial 5 divided by factorial 4. Okay, so this is the arrangement of vowels, and this is the total arrangement of the 8 letters. 8 letters means D, N, C, P. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, so this is the total arrangement. Now we have to solve this. And find the number of total permutations or the total arrangements. Do all the vowels always occur together? And this is equals to, after solving this, we will have 16800. 16800. Now this is the second part. Now we have to consider third part of the example number 16. And third part of the example number 16 is says that do the vowels never occur together? We have to find the number of arrangements. Do the vowels never occur together? Never occur together means total arrangements minus arrangements do the vowels occur together. Okay, so this is equals to 166 3200. This is the total arrangements minus arrangement do the vowels occur together, that is this means 16800. After subtracting this we will have 1646400. 1646400. Okay, so these are the total number of arrangements in which vowels never occur together. Okay, vowels occur never together. Now the last part of the example number 16 is, that is, last part is, do the word start with I and end with P? Word start with I and end with P. Means the first letter is I and the last letter is P. Okay, and all the letters come in between this. Means two letters are fixed. And total number of letters are 12. That is why remaining letters that we have to arrange. Remaining letters that we have to arrange are 10 letters. 10 letters we have to arrange. So 10 letters we have to arrange by the factorial 10, and divided by E is repeating 4 times, so factorial 4. D is repeating 2 times, 2 factorial, and N is repeating 3 times, factorial 3. Okay, so factorial 10 upon factorial 4 into factorial 2 into factorial 3. Okay, now we have to solve this and we'll get the value, we'll get the total number of arrangements, and that is equals to 12600. Okay, so these are the total number of arrangements when the word start with I and end with P. Okay, means when we fix two letters of the English alphabet or the word independence. Okay.